Take me back into the arms I love. Need me like you did before. Touch me once again and remember when there was no one that you wanted more. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. Some way, all the love that we had can be saved. Whatever it takes, we'll find a way. Oh,
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
I got to confess, I didn't love the start. I thought it was all frock and hair and whatever, and eyelashes. But then it got better. And I think you felt a little better going there, and you seemed to enjoy yourself. Yeah, not bad.
Conroy.
So I don't think that emotionally you connected with the song enough for us to feel you, but you sounded beautiful. Yeah. You sounded nice, and like Anthony said, at the beginning it was a little shaky, but it got better towards the end. But if your emotions were fully in it, you would have blown this place away.
Yes. Alaine.
Agreed. Lavecka, you have all the ingredients to set this studio on fire. Your voice, there's a soulfulness in your voice, young lady, that is, oh my, it's a blessing, and it is something that you need to use more, right? So like Conroy said, you have to really understanding what you're singing is going to make people more excited about it. It was a good performance. It could have been great. Lavecka, you have the potential to be, you are definitely a front runner in this competition. Well done, young lady. Good way to end the night.
Thank you, judges.